Greetings to all of you watching and a warm welcome back to our channel. In today's engaging lesson, we will delve into the essential questions that you can anticipate on your upcoming driving test. My name is Perez and I will be your knowledgeable guide throughout this informative session. On the test day, you will be assessed on both theoretical knowledge and practical skills related to driving. Let's first focus on the theoretical aspect of the assessment. Assessing the theoretical knowledge allows authorities to gauge your understanding of traffic laws, road signs, and regulations. This knowledge is the foundation of safe driving behavior. Now, something to note is that you must pass the theoretical test before taking the practical test. We have a great collection of helpful videos on this, including a video titled Driving Questions and Answers. This is a video with questions and answers on driving. Some of the questions include knowledge of road signals and signs, knowledge of road rules, knowledge of any authorized highway or road code, physical fitness to handle a motor vehicle of the class for which the license is needed. We also have videos on road signs, including all sign categories like warning, regulatory, information, and guidance signs. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to our content, and we truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tutorials, exclusive content, and valuable resources that we provide on our channel. And by the way, you can also download our road signs app on Google Play. With only 5 megabytes, the app has a nice interface with distinctive visual elements, well-arranged icons, attractive colors, and very easy to use. Download the app now from Google Play Store. Check in the link description provided for the download option. The reason as to why it is important to have the app is because it is good to familiarize yourself with all the road signs and their meanings, as they are essential for safe and efficient driving. Mastering the road signs also will not only help you pass your driving test, but also keep you and others safe on the road. Remembering and understanding road signs will enable you to navigate different traffic situations confidently and make informed decisions while driving. So, it's important to view learning road signs as a valuable life skill rather than just a requirement for passing a test. You will also be tested on the Model Town Board. I will give you a few examples later in the lesson on the Model Town Board, and I will try my best to help you understand how to maneuver the tasks on the Model Town Board. The NTSA Practical Driving Test assesses your ability to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. It also evaluates your actual driving skills and road behavior. This hands-on assessment allows the examiner to observe how well you can handle a vehicle, navigate traffic situations, execute maneuvers such as lane changes and parking, and also reacting appropriately to various hazards and road conditions. The driving test often includes challenging maneuvers like hill starts and precise 3-point turns, requiring candidates to showcase their control and spatial awareness behind the wheel. And we also have a great collection of helpful videos for learning how to drive a manual transmission vehicle and various parking techniques. Watching tutorial videos can be a really effective way to supplement your learning and improve your skills. Practicing regularly is also key to mastering these techniques, so make sure to combine watching the videos with hands-on practice for you to become more comfortable with driving a manual vehicle and mastering parking maneuvers. Now let me know if you have any questions or need any help with the content in the videos. As I have promised you earlier, I will take the lead in guiding you through some illustrative examples of the Model Town Board maneuvers. Now, let's delve into a few specific examples to enhance our understanding. In the first example, we want to move the green car from point 1 to point 2. The possible exit point towards point 2 is the third lane of the minor road. And how do we reach there here? Considering the lane options, the vehicle will enter through the fourth lane of the major road and take 270 degrees to exit in the third lane of the minor road to point 2. In the second example, we want to move the white car from point 1 to point 2. Just like in the previous example, the car is supposed to exit in the third lane of the minor road, but since from lane 2 of the major road you cannot exit in the third lane, you will exit in the second lane, that is the middle lane of the minor road, at 90 degrees and change to the third lane. In the third example, we want to move the orange car from point 1 to point 2. Here, the entry to the roundabout is lane 3, and the exit point is also lane 3 through the innermost lane of the roundabout at 180 degrees. But remember, you have to enter through lane 1 and change to lane 3 when entering the roundabout. In the fourth example, the only way to point 2 is through the second lane of the major road, so we will have to find a way to this entry point by going all the way through the two-way traffic road and back to the one-way traffic road to point 2 through the second lane of the roundabout. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to our content, and we truly appreciate your support. We do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tutorials, exclusive content, and valuable resources that we provide on our channel. Bye-bye.